What's going on, you guys? Today I am teaching you how to mod Subway Surfer. This game, right? Everyone knows Subway Surfer, one of the most popular games ever. This game right here. So first thing you want to do is go to, you want to go to your settings. You're going to want to type in, go to your unknown app stuff. Install unknown apps, and then you're gonna turn your settings on and allow all that stuff, and then you're gonna go to Chrome. You're gonna look up game hack 36. You're gonna wait for this bad boy to load up. You're gonna click on this one right here. Sometimes there's ads. You're gonna wanna see like that. You're just gonna click block that. You might have to type it in again because alright, you're gonna want to go back to it. Sometimes it does that, sometimes it doesn't. It depends. Now you're gonna want to go down to the S's, and you're gonna want to click on the latest version. You're gonna want to click download, and then it's gonna go to this. You're gonna wait. You're gonna just deny that. It's gonna please wait. And I don't think that's it. One, and you're gonna click skip ad. And then you're gonna wait a couple minutes. It's gonna load up. You're gonna click download. You're gonna wait. And this is how you get unlimited money. You can get unlimited money, unlimited everything, pretty much, for free. You're gonna wait for it to download. Depends on how long it takes, but it will get there. You just gotta be patient. Alright, so now that it's installed, you're gonna go to this. Well, it's not. You're gonna wait for it to load up. Click install. And wait. You're gonna wait until it installs. My phone's a little slow, so it's gonna take a second. Alright, and you're gonna open. Alright, I think it's this one. Yep. You're gonna click that one. It's gonna load up. You gotta make sure it is the latest version, because if it's not, sometimes it don't work, sometimes it does. And then it's gonna load in. You're gonna play the tutorial. Let's play the tutorial. And then do all this stuff. It's very easy. Kick flip buggy. And then we're gonna collect all this. And then we're just gonna fail. And wait for it. Yeah. Sorry for the loud. And bam! Look at that. 9 million. Wait. 999,999,888 keys and 999,999,999,999,914 coins. And then you can like go in, upgrade your stuff if you want. Like, see, You can buy a ton of stuff. So that's pretty much it. That is how you get unlimited money in Subway server. Thank you guys for watching. Like, subscribe for more tutorials, tricks, games, any Android stuff. This is Android Guy. Peace.